back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, the news is out. I'm so excited to announce that I collaborated with Colourpop to create a collection, an entire collection, and I posted a picture and a video on Instagram, and you guys have honestly been, I haven't even told you what the product is yet, and you guys have been so supportive, so amazing. It's honestly, it's so humbling. It's just the best type of energy, and I couldn't have asked for a better response. It just says a lot about you guys, and I really, from the bottom of my heart, want to thank you guys for being so supportive and just excited and encouraging. I'm like tearing up. It means the world to me. This collab means so much to me. I put my heart and soul into it, from the packaging to the colors. The colors had to be perfect, and they are. And I just really appreciate you guys so much. Okay, enough of the watery eyes. My collection comes with a 16 pan palette called Perception. I really wanted the paint. And I didn't really know how I was going to interpret that, but it worked out perfect. I feel like when you look at paint, it can be perceived differently. When you see splatter, paint splatter, everyone sees something different. They can relate to it. And I wanted this palette to just be for everybody. I wanted everyone to look at it and see a piece of them in it. Inside the palette is a mirror, okay? We have a mirror, because you guys already know how I feel about the mirror and the names on the palette. Like every palette I review, I'm like, there needs to be a mirror, there has to be names. So you got it, okay? You have a mirror, and then the names of the shadows are at the bottom, so you know exactly what color you're using. I really wanted a palette that can take you from day to night. Colors you can wear during the day, like these really pretty golds and rose golds, to that nighttime date, club, whatever adventure you get to at night. I wanted a shadow for that, so this palette really just has everything. There's 16 colors. I still can't really wrap my head around it. Like, I'm looking at it and it's surreal to me that it actually is here in my hands, because it's like a vision of mine that just came to life, and I'm shook. Not only did I come out with a palette in my collection, I also have 2 highlighters, 3 lipsticks, and a gloss. Yes. So these highlighters are loose highlighters. One of them is called Pose, because you know, honey, you gotta pose, and when you pose, that highlight is popping. And the other one is Boomin, because that highlight is booming. Can't wait for you guys to see it. And in this video, I will be trying everything on, so don't be worried. I'm gonna try it all on. Y'all are gonna see everything. The 3 lipsticks are Come On Sis, which is like a mauvey pinky brown. Oouuu, which is more of a coral. And Quickie. That's all I'm gonna say about Quickie. Last but not least is Neat Freak, which is like a topper. I love how they're splattered on the packaging. I love everything about it. It's clear, but it also has flecks of like gold and rose gold, so it kind of just goes with every shade. I have it on now. You'll see me apply this later also. That's it, you guys. I can't believe I'm like, oh, that's it. I created this collection for everybody, no matter your skin tone, your shoe size, your waist size, your hair color, no matter what, there's gonna be something for you. And that was really important for me. I was like, okay, when I was looking at the shadows, the highlighters, the lipsticks, the gloss, I was like, all right, I need to make sure that everybody will find something that they love in this collection, and I really hope you guys do. I'm just so excited for you guys to, I'm all jumping. I'm just so excited for you guys to play with the colors, to see it, and to just see my vision. So I'm just gonna stop myself, because I will ramble on about this collab and I can just talk about it for hours and hours and hours, and you guys wanna see it in action. So in this video, I will be doing my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips with my collection. So let's get started. I prep my skin with the Colourpop number 36 concealer. I might apply 4 colors in the crease just so you guys can see all the shades and how you can mix them and how well they blend, and it's just so cute. Like, I honestly can't stop looking at it. Look how pretty it is. It's probably what it feels like to have a child. You're like, look how cute my baby is, you know? I'm gonna start with culture. Do it for the culture. In the crease first. Do it for the culture. I really wanted a neutral brown transition color. That's where this came in. This is like the perfect shade to go with any color. All right, now I'm gonna go in with thick, this orange shade right here. I am just obsessed with orange colors in the crease. You guys know this, so I had to put an orange up in here. Okay, and she thick. Now I'm gonna go in with Revenge. So I'm pretty much just going light to dark here. It was really important for me to have matte colors because I feel like you really can't do your eyeshadow without the matte transition color. So I really put like my favorite matte colors that I like to wear in the crease from day to night. So you kind of have everything in this palette. And that's really what I wanted. I wanted this to be a palette you can travel with and not have to bring anything else. I should have called this the everything palette. I mean, perception is better. It goes with the theme, you know, but everything, it is everything. Look at that pigment. I'm switching to a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna apply Played Out, this like deep brown in the outer corner of the crease. I named this color Played Out because everyone comes out with browns and they are a little played out, but they're necessary, you know? I've been rocking with this type of shade since I started doing makeup, honestly. Like, I'll never not wear this type of brown, ever. I switched to a fluffier brush to blend out Played Out. I'm cutting the crease with the same Colourpop number 36 concealer. I just love a good cut crease. All right, so Unbothered here is like an iridescent color. I'm gonna put on the inside of my lid and then Strut and Slay on the lid. You could definitely wear this all over the lid or over another shadow. It's really pretty. Dang, I did a good cut crease today. Ooh. Like my body knew, my hands knew this was important. You know what I mean? All right, now this is Strut and Slay. I really wanted a light and a deeper rose gold, which is why you have Strut and Slay and Spill the Tea. Spill the Tea is like a lighter version of Strut and Slay. You see it right here. Someone on Twitter was like, I know you have a color called Strut and Slay. I was like, dang, you guys like really know me well. I'm so anxious to show you guys this dark blue here, Stallion. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the outside of my lid. I'm gonna use an angled brush and kind of just make a V shape, because I want you guys to see that, yes, it's like, it has blue flecks, but it goes on kind of black. I'm just blending Stallion out just a little bit. Ooh, this looks cute. I'm lining my eyes with a black gel liner. I think one of the, I guess, hardest parts about creating this collab was getting the splatter on the packaging right. Like, it is so hard to just get it right. I wanted a drip and a splatter. So it kind of went in the direction of like a drip and then it became a splatter and then it became a multiple colored splatter. And then finally we came up with this, but to get this right, it took some time. Can you guys imagine if I came out with a palette without a mirror, as much as I talk about how every palette needs a mirror? I'm gonna set my liner under my lash line with Stallion, the really dark color, and then I'm gonna blend it out with Revenge. I always do this anytime I put like a pencil or even a gel liner under my lash line. I like to set it with a powder and then blend it out. See how this doesn't really even look like blue, it looks more black. But that's why I called it Stallion, because it's black, like a black stallion. All right, so I am gonna use Revenge right here. Just smudge out the bottom. I love the look of orange shade smudge under my lash line. Like, it just gives me all types of life. I just can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this. Like, honestly, like, I really can't wait for you guys to just get your hands on it and play with it. It's been like a long process, a long time coming, and then all of a sudden it feels like everything's moving so fast, you know? Like, I'm like, oh my god, I'm filming the video, I have the product already. Ah! You know, sometimes you do your makeup and you impress yourself. I'm like, oh, that turned out good. I'm gonna throw on some Lily lashes. You guys have to tell me, like, on a scale of 1 to shook, like, how shook were you when I posted the picture with the paint on my arms on Instagram? Tell me. Like, you guys don't even know, I was so anxious to post that. And when I finally posted it, I was like, are people gonna get it? You know, are they gonna know what's happening? But y'all got it. You guys understood. This rose gold color, I can't like pick a favorite, but it's like one of my favorite colors in the palette. So is Played Out. Well, it's like you can't pick a favorite, but I'll just say I love all the colors. I'll just say that. It's like my children. I love them all. I really want you guys to see both the highlights, so I'm gonna put Boomin on one side and then Pose on the other, and then I'll just mix them in the end. How cute the packaging is. And I feel like with these highlighters, when you use a fan brush, you get a lot more pigment versus like this. I mean, it's just my preference. I like using a fan brush. Let me just do a little bit because, honey, there is pigment, okay? We are not playing with this pigment. This is not a game, okay? So that was Boomin, and now we're gonna put Pose on this side. So Boomin's more of like a golden yellow, and then Pose is kind of like a richer coppery shade. So if you have a deeper skin tone, this is gonna be like heaven. If you have a lighter skin tone, you can use Pose as a bronzer or over your bronzer. Oh, I should have put a little more edge control right here. This is Pose. Pose is like a lot more subtle on me. All right, now I'm gonna just mix these two together. Wait, hold on. Which is probably honestly how I'm gonna wear it on a daily basis. I'm just gonna mix them. When I was deciding on lip colors for the collab, I really wanted just lipsticks that I use on a regular basis, and that's a nude, a pink, and a coral. Like I could just live with those, you know? So we're gonna start with Come On Sis. Come on, sis. This is like a pinky brown type of shade, and I'm using BFF3 from Colourpop lip liner. I originally was thinking of doing like bubblegum baby pink that I usually do, but I feel like this color is more of like an everyday wearable color. Like you can wear this to work, you can wear this just like on an everyday basis, really. Isn't this like so me, like all these colors? All right, let's try on the nude shade. I named it Quickie. Look at, no explanation needed there. This is the same BFF number 3 lip liner from Colourpop. And then Quickie, the perfect nude. Perfect nude. This is Neat Freak on top. I love this gloss. I'm so obsessed with it. I want you guys to kind of see it up close. Look at how pretty that is. Let's try the final color. You guys already know I had to name something. Ooh, my little sound effect. I don't even know how that happened. Like it just like naturally occurs, you know? It's like a volcano. Just, it erupts. Oh, come on. Get into this color, okay? Oh my gosh, so pretty. You guys already know, Neat Freak. There it is right there. Thank you guys for watching my Colourpop collab reveal. I am so excited to see you guys in these looks. Don't forget to hashtag ShaylaXColourpop so I can see it, so I can repost it, so I can show your pictures some love. I want to know your thoughts, and I want to see you guys in the looks. The collab comes out on the 27th, so in a week. We got a week. Mark your calendars, comment below, subscribe, and last but not least, strut and slay.